Welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Snapdrop iPhone to PC. First, go to snapdrop.net, and from here, you could just simply select upload files over here, or if you're gonna upload folder, just simply select upload folder down below. In my case, I will upload a files, so tap on it, and from here, you will have four options. You could go for the photo library, or you could take a photo or video right away. You could choose files or Google Drive. In my case, I will be going for a photo. So I'll tap photo library. Now from here, just simply select a photo that you prefer and select add. And now once you are here, it will be uploaded to the Snapdrop. Now, once it is uploaded, as you can see, you should be able to see your photo over here. So just simply tap on share. And now from here, you will have two options. You could either share with link, which you could just simply copy the link over here on the right side and just simply paste it to any messaging platform, or you could send via email. So I will choose the link. Now let's go to our PC. Now guys, I have the link over here. So just simply go ahead and copy the link and paste it on the URL. And now from here, as you can see, we should be able to see our image that we just uploaded. And you can just simply select download over here to transfer the files. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.